Hello, I'm in a 2015 Subaru Legacy, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So with the vehicle on, which this is on, you're going to look over here for this button. This button is your traction control. So push it once to turn it off, and again turn it on. So off, on. And you can see on the dash here when it's off, that there'll be that symbol here appear, and there won't be any symbol at all when it's on. And you want it on generally all the time. You might turn it off if, say, you're driving on some really rough, like loose, gravelly, icy road conditions where you don't want it to affect which wheels are getting power. You wouldn't for a Legacy, but in other vehicles you might turn it off if you're towing, like a trailer, for example, because that again might interfere with how your transmission's reading what's going on. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.